Friends, I am again with new video. This is regarding monsoon snacks, bhutta, that is maize or sweet corn. Bhutta is one of the oldest summer crop properly savored in monsoon. A bite into the charred and soft kernels on the cob is a perfect snacks. In this video, I will discuss why you should not drink water after eating bhutta. Please subscribe my channel if you have not done so. My channel's name is Healthy Feasting. Enjoy this monsoon with bhutta. Somewhere on the roadside, the aroma of smoky bhuttas or makki, that is corn, will compel you to stop and buy one, and eventually find yourself asking bhutta wala to add more lemon juice, salt and chili powder to it, or a generous slathering of butter. Yeah, very tasty. I am having boiled bhutta. If there is anything that truly defines the essence of Indian monsoon, it is a bhutta, which is one of the oldest summer crop, popularly savored in the rainy season. In fact, you would know it is rainy season if you spot bhutta wala selling this favorite snacks. In Uttarakhand on roadsides, in Mussoorie on roadsides, in Dehradun on roadsides. A bite into the charred and soft kernels on the cob is a perfect snack to relieve you from undying hunger pangs. So, if you don't have reasons enough to gorge on this seasonal delight, we give you some legit reason that will compel you to go out and grab them. Bhutta is generally roasted or steamed, so you don't have to worry about gaining weight even if you have one daily. You can also grill the corns in a microwave oven to make it better. See, yummy roasted corn. This is steamed corns. I would like to have steamed corn now. According to nutritionists, bhutta has around 125 to 150 calories and is power packed with fiber, which helps keep your digestive system healthy. It also has antioxidants including bioflavonoids and carotenoids that help keep health hazards at bay. Yummy. Roasted and another is steamed. Eating outside, especially during the rains, can put you at risk of various health hazards. The best part about bhutta is that you eat it immediately after it is roasted, thereby reducing your chances of infection. Bhutta can not only be roasted or grilled but can be steamed as well. The delicious steamed version can be smothered with butter or spices along with lemon juice. You can also experiment using different masalas and coatings on the kernels as per your palate. So, get going, grab a bhutta and enjoy this seasonal delight without worrying about calories. This bhutta is an all-time favorite snack of many Indians. This crunchy and delicious corn or bhutta is an ultimate food, especially during monsoons, packed with a wide range of nutrients and available in myriad flavors that are more reasons to eat it rather than its taste and flavor. Bhutta, being rich in vitamin C, bioflavonoids, carotenoids and fiber, it helps in reducing cholesterol and also prevents your arteries from getting blocked. This in turn lowers your risk of heart disease. Not only corn, there are numerous foods that you consume on daily basis which can lower your blood cholesterol levels. I am taking pressure cooker. Take out its whistle. Now heat it. Take, come, take some sweet corns dipped in butter. Pour it in pressure cooker. Apply lid without whistle and keep heating for 3 to 5 minutes. See what a magic is going on. After 5 minutes, when we will open the lid, we will see amazing corns inside. Heat it on full flame. Stir it. Stir this pressure cooker slightly to and fro. Now open the lid. Ah, amazing! This is popcorn. Second way, you can have this sweet corn as popcorn. Very easy to cook. These corns are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, which have been linked to reduce the risk of cancer also. This is because antioxidants neutralize the negative effect of harmful free radical compounds that put you at risk of cancer. Additionally, corn contains ferulic acid, which plays a key role in reducing the size of tumors present in the breast and liver and thus aid in cancer treatment. This corn is also rich in minerals like zinc, phosphorus, magnesium and iron. With these minerals, it plays a vital role in maintaining your bone health. It also protects you from various bone-related diseases such as arthritis. Corn is also packed with beta-carotene, a compound which helps in formation of vitamin A. This vitamin is known to improve your vision and also prevent various eye-related problems. Apart from this, the presence of carotenoids in corn reduces your risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. Now I will cook the sweet corn in third way. This is the third method of consuming sweet corn. I am taking 1 cup of sweet corn with water and boil it. Within 10 minutes it will boil. These are fully packed with carbohydrates. Eating this food provides you sufficient energy along with filling your stomach. Now I will squeeze out half lemon in these boiled corns and sprinkle some black salt and black pepper and chaat masala. The carbs present in the corn are such that they are absorbed slowly by your body, thus helping you stay energetic for a longer time. Constipation. This is the major problem in many people. This constipation can be a really irritating condition to deal with. However, eating corn might help you to effectively fight with this condition. Corn is rich in fiber, which helps in clearing the food stuck in your colon. Corns are containing high amounts of iron, including boiled corn in your diet, can help you to fulfill your daily requirement of iron, thus keep anemia at bay. It contains folic acid and vitamins that helps in production of blood cells. Folic acid or vitamin B9 present in this sweet corn is an extremely important nutrient for pregnant women. This is because deficiency of folate can lead to neural tube defects or malformation of the spine in the developing baby. Apart from this, folic acid reduces the risk of intrauterine growth retardation in the baby and gestational anemia. I may caution you, high intake can cause digestive upset such as bloating, gas and diarrhea in some people. Because corn contains phytic acid which may reduce mineral absorption. Bhutta, that is corn, has starch and complex carbs, and drinking water over it can lead to production of gas in the stomach. This may cause acid reflux, acidity, flatulence, and severe stomach pain. So never drink water after eating bhutta. Please comment and subscribe my channel. Here are the 4 boxes above to view more videos. These are playlist of my videos. You can click any box to view more. Thank you for watching.